Hey, I'm Daisy.
And I'm Aiden.
Today, we're gonna be doing an experiment.
That must be a power outage.
Oh look, the lights just turned back on. But in case they didn't, we have an experiment that's perfect for the dark.
We're making a glowing crystal star.
From your kit, you'll need your mixing container, a tablespoon measuring spoon, borax, glow powder, 2 pipe cleaners, thread, and 2 stirring sticks. From home, you'll need 1 cup of boiling water, a plate or paper towel, and scissors. You'll also need a sink or cleaner for this experiment.
Have an adult make you some boiling water, and while you're waiting for that to boil, shape your pipe cleaner into a star. You can use the stencil in your manual to make it easier. It should be about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches.
If you have some excess pipe cleaner after you've created your star, you can cut it off using your scissors. It's just so much fun making stars, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially when they glow in the dark. It doesn't get any better than that. Now that we've got our awesome star, you're just gonna dampen it with some water and place it on a plate. You can use a sink for this.
Now what you're gonna do with your glow powder is you're gonna get it really close to the side of the star. You wanna start at one corner and just go all the way around the star, dumping glow powder on the outside edge of it, all the way around 3 to 5 times.
That way you can really get that full glow result that we're looking for.
Alright, take your thread and cut about 10 inches off the end, and you're gonna tie that to one of the corners of your star. Now, take your fancy wooden stir stick and tie the other end of your star. If I take the star here, you can see that I tied one end to the corner. Now I'm just gonna tie the other end to the wooden stir stick. Now, something I've noticed when I'm tying this is I like to double knot it just to make sure that it's really gonna hold on.
Now, measure your star inside of your mixing container. You can roll the stick to make the string shorter or longer. What you want is the star to not be touching any of the sides of the cup or the bottom, like we have here. Once you have that, you're ready to go on to the next step. Now, have your adult on hand take 1 cup of boiled water and place it inside your empty measuring cup. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our measuring tablespoon and we're gonna take 4 level spoonfuls of this borax and put it inside the boiling water, like so. See, Aiden's stirring the solution of borax and boiling water. Then we'll move on to the next step.
Alrighty, now take your star on your stir stick and stick it right into the solution without it touching the walls or the bottom, and make sure it's immersed in the solution as much as you can.
Here's the last part, and it's super easy. Just take your cup and put it in a place where it won't be disturbed for 1 to 5 days. Place a napkin on top to help prevent dust from entering. Now, after those 1 to 5 days, take your star out and allow it to dry in a cool place. Then, put it near a light to charge up those glow particles. And then, go into a dark room and see what happens. Alright guys, I hope you had as much fun as we did. Now, on to our next experiment, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks guys, bye!
Bye!